So for today's video, we are going to cook a Jollibee garlic pepper beef. So first, we will prepare our bowl and we will marinate our carne picada. This is a finely chopped or shredded beef. We will marinate it with a soy sauce, garlic powder, and a ground pepper and a little bit of brown sugar. And last but not the least, we are going to put a W sauce. After 30 minutes of marinating it in a large pan, we will add a small amount of oil and then guys, ayan na lang muna yung English ng babae kasi ubos na yung English ng babae, okay? Panoorin nyo na lang yung video ko kung paano ko niluto itong ating garlic pepper beef. So, in fairness guys, ang sarap na ng luto ko. Alam nyo bakit? Pagkatapos ko magluto guys, naligo ang babae kaya nangamoy baka na. Paglabas ko galing shower, alam mo, ang bunga dito dong, it was good baby. Akala ko ako ang good kay galing bagong shower. Yung pala yung, yung aking niluto. Sabi ko, pang-apat na beses ko na ito nagluto nito dong. Bakit ngayon lang masarap? Sabi niya, mas masarap tayo ngayon. So, feeling ko dun sa W sauce dahil marami yung W sauce na nilagay ko. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share.